Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here once again, and tonight I'm going to get out my trusty wok and I'm going to be cooking chicken stir fry.
And we all like a chicken stir fry, don't we?
It's by no means an authentic Chinese dish or traditional, but it's my take on that, and me and my family love it. It's cheap, it's easy, and it is very tasty. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I do it. So here we have our ingredients. We've got some lovely chicken breast here that's been cut into slices. This is our stir fry mix. You've got carrot, there's little bean sprouts here, there's some cabbage, broccoli, there's all sorts of bits and bobs in there to make it all very tasty. It's going to be served up with these medium egg noodles here. Now we've also got this rice wine vinegar, a little drop of that. We've got Chinese 5 spice, we've got some lovely oyster sauce, I love that stuff. We've got some dark soy sauce and we've got some light soy sauce just to make a little bit of interest there. So off we go to the wok.
To which I've added some groundnut oil, just enough to shallow fry all these chicken strips that I'm going to pop in a few at a time. Place those in. We're going to cook these right through. There we go, there's another batch that's gone in. And final them out. Now when they're cooked, we're going to remove these from the oil, place these onto some kitchen towel or kitchen paper where they can dry out, where the oil can run off. Then we're going to discard most of the oil that's in the pan. There we go, we'll pop those on the paper where they can dry. Back to the pan where there's not so much oil in there now. And I'm going to just test it for heat by putting a few sprouts in. Yep, that's hot enough. So we might go with the rest. Give these a quick swish around. Get them coated in this lovely groundnut oil. And don't forget, it's got the chicken flavour in there as well. Now we can add a little bit of water. I always do, it's just a little bit. Then the Chinese 5 spice, that can go in about a tablespoon. Then we can go in with the light soy sauce. And of course rice wine vinegar, just a drop of that. That's quite sharp, quite sour. And then the dark soy sauce. I like the mix of two, then you get a sort of a nice, they complement each other if you like. And then the oyster sauce, which does not want to come out of that jar. I don't believe, why do they make the jars so small at the top that you can't get a spoon in? Anyway, we've beaten it, we've got a knife to it. Right, give this a mix around, get it all nicely coated, then we can put our chicken back in. Heat this all back up again. Oh, it's starting to look delicious. Now we don't want to overcook this, we want a sort of a nice crunchy texture. Now we can plate up. I told you it was quick. There are our noodles, they're boiling away. They took about 4 to 5 minutes, not long at all. So we put our stir fry onto this dish, drain our noodles and then add those to one side there, just to make it look nice. And then a few of these Chinese prawn crackers. You can pretty much get those anywhere. Can even make them yourself. Oh, this is looking risky, but I think I can manage it.
So now for this taste test. What, really? You didn't think I could do this? Use these chopsticks, did you? But I can. Oh yeah. It never ceases to amaze me. I love this Chinese cooking. So easy, so tasty, so full of flavour. Cheap too. Hope you've enjoyed this latest video of mine. Please try this recipe for yourself. It is so simple. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you've really enjoyed it, and if you have, please subscribe to my channel. See you all again next time. Oh, please give it a like and please share, and bye for now.